Hello guys, I bought myself a new car. How did you understand with the preview? What is it? Of course it's Audi A80 Quattro. Don't hesitate. The car. Now we are going home, pulling my car on an Audi A80 B3 trailer. Quattro is not yet on the move. Now we will get there. I will show it in what form, but, as you understand from the sound, not very much. The car needs repair. I'll show you now. I present to your attention the Audi A80 B4 Quattro 2-liter injector after an accident. But I do not think that the accident was critical. Here a little to the right the blow fell in the direction of the driver. You see, and that's why I like Audi, because the body is galvanized. The main seats are normal original. The panel is in good condition, only in the lower part it can be seen with self-tapping screws, but oh well, there are new pads and a thermostat included. They even smoked in the car here. I don't like the smell of cigarettes. First aid kit. Here is the radio connector, debris, bolt, stove switch, car sealant. I must say Quattro, not Motorsport. Here is differential lock, JVC DVD recorder. Is there a disc here? I don't know yet. I don't understand yet. The car needs to be repaired first, and then I'll figure it out. There is an ABS button, but the ABS unit itself is removed. In general, the interior is, in principle, not bad. Throw away all those bedspreads. There should be speakers in the back. There is no mesh on the speaker. But we will find all this and we will be able to remove from this machine. Here is such a normal salon. The JVC speaker does not know if he is here at all? Yes, there is one speaker. Well, the ceiling still needs to be finished. What have you done here? We fixed everything with a stapler. But I'll fix everything.
Вот такой хлам. Ух, блин.